Hey guys, Daniel here from the Truck Insurance Channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the BOC-3 filing. This is one of the easiest and also cheapest things you're going to do in getting your authority activated, your company set up. Basically, the BOC-3 filing is the designation of agents for service of process. So like in any jurisdiction, state throughout the U.S. that you might be traveling, to, from, through, whatever. This is essentially a directory of all the appointed people that could receive service of process or, court documents, filing of a lawsuit, anything like that. It's just a requirement to get your authority active. There's really only two requirements after you've applied for the authority, with the FMCSA application. It's this BOC-3 filing and then your insurance filing. So this is the much easier, much cheaper one. And so let's jump in. I recommend BOC3processagents.com. It's real straightforward. They're not going to try and sell you a bunch of extra stuff that you don't need. And it's one of the cheapest out there. Here we go. So BOC3processagents.com. You'll come over here, type in your DOT number that you got after you finished your FMCSA application, your name, your email, your phone number. The company name should automatically populate. If it doesn't, it's probably because you're trying to do this too soon. You might need to wait a couple days after you've applied for the FMCSA application, and then it'll automatically populate. And then you just go next, put in your payment info, and then you'll put in your initials, and sign. Obviously, you can see my signature sucks. And then submit. And then you're good. You'll get an email within like a few seconds, and then I think you get a second email for confirmation that this has been filed. And that's it. It's almost too easy. You might doubt it a little bit, but don't. If you have questions, concerns, anything you want to help with this or need a little bit further explanation, feel free to call us anytime or schedule a call if that's better for you. There's links to everything down in the description, including the link to this website to get your BOC-3 filed. There's a bunch of other stuff down there too, so dig in. Also, of course, we do insurance. If you need help with insurance quotes, if you haven't done that already, started the quoting process, by all means, check out the quote link below. We'll help you get started on that, or just give us a call and we'll walk through it over the phone with you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more. We'll have a whole series here about getting through all this application and going active, getting your company started. Thanks. See you in the next one.